Yo, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel where today we're going to be doing a gaming test with my 2021 65-inch LG G1 OLED. Now the games console that we're going to be doing this test with is my PlayStation 5, and games wise we're going to be testing out SpiderMan, Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, Assassin's Creed Valhalla, and finally Dirt 5. Now before we get underway, just want to say a big thanks to the guys at box.co.uk who are kind enough to send over this TV for me to test for you guys. So if you are looking to purchase a new TV, then please go and check out their link in the description. Right, we are off then with SpiderMan. And this does look like a beautiful game on this TV, I've got to say it. Does look really nice, doesn't it, mate? Yeah. I think this is actually the first time we've tried it on this new TV, isn't it? So yeah, a new experience for us and for you. So yeah, first impressions, does look very nice indeed. Now, I'm sure you guys are going to want to know what settings are being used on this TV. Well, it is just the regular game mode. Now this will automatically turn on. Sitting really off axis now. And one great thing about these OLED TVs is the viewing angles are absolutely amazing. As you can see, as we go around, isn't washing out or anything like that. It's still a nice, crisp, vibrant picture. And we are underway with Dirt 5. And once again, looks stunning, doesn't it, mate? Now, some of you may be wondering why I showed a PlayStation 4 copy of this game. Well, don't worry, because you do get a free upgrade to the PlayStation 5 version if you have this copy. So this isn't playing in like PlayStation 4 mode, it's playing in PlayStation 5 mode. Looking really, really nice. Let's go right round the side here. Let's have a look at those viewing angles once again. Spot on, look at that. Right off axis down here. Lighting on this game looks really nice where it's streaming through and that. So let's not hang around too long on this game, as only just want to give you a brief teaser of each one. Let's move on to the next game. Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War Zombies is next. And I'm going to hold judgment on this one and let you guys decide on what you think of it. So just going to sit off to the side once again on one of our other sofas and show you what those off-axis viewing angles are like. Once again, we are still in the game mode or game optimizer mode. So no doubt these picture settings can be tweaked to look even better and to your personal preference. Let's move around a little bit so we can see some of those, so like with those reflections there. So we are seeing some just coming through there. Now, if you've got any suggestions for games that you'd like to see me test out, then please hit me up in the comment section, and I will be testing this 65-inch G1 OLED against my 65-inch LG C10 OLED. Tomorrow we'll be doing that. We'll be testing it out with the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X. And I will also be testing out the Xbox Series X with this console, with this TV on its own as well, if you're not interested in that comparison. I've got to say, I think this game looks really nice done on this TV with the black levels there. Looks spanking. So anyway, again, hopefully that has given you guys a little teaser of what this game is like on this TV. So let's move on. Right, and finally we have Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Now this is looking quite blue on screen, and on my camera's making it look even more blue than it does look in real life. But I've had to switch cameras, and I don't normally use this one, and yeah, it's not great for probably recording this one, but I do apologise. It is what it is at the end of the day, and hopefully I'll get my other camera back very soon. But still, looking at the image, looks very nice. The light is drawn in a little bit at the moment, and if I just quickly show you guys what it's like with these reflections there. Like I say, it is starting to go a little bit duller out, but we can still see some reflections just there. But it is a very dark scene at the moment, isn't it, mate? Yep. Must admit, I'm not a massive fan of this game. Not really up my street that much. I only really got it for your entertainment. What do you think of it, mate? Think it's any good? No, not really. No. I know a few people have said it's, you know, not the best out there, but I thought I'd show a you know, a variety of different games, because, you know, it's horses for courses at the end of the day. But for what it is, still, it's not looking too bad at all. Well, there you go then, guys. Now, like I said, I will be testing out this TV with the Xbox Series X. So if you want to see that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified of my latest uploads. And if you have enjoyed this video today, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.